According to environmentally conscious websites, there are several notable advantages of owning an electric car. However, there are a few disadvantages as well. Here are a few of the advantages. Without pumping any fumes into the air like gas engines do, electric cars can help achieve cleaner air and fewer greenhouse gases. Electricity can be a renewable resource. Gasoline cannot. And of course, you don't spend as much money on recharging your vehicle's batteries as you do filling the fuel tank. Now time for a few cons. Electric cars need rare critical metals that are difficult to obtain. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, by the end of the manufacturing process, an intense amount of pollution is discharged, especially from the production of batteries. You can drive a lot further and longer on a full fuel tank than you can on a fully charged electric vehicle's batteries. Gas-powered vehicles usually provide much more horsepower than do electric vehicles, making the hauling or carrying of heavy loads easier. It's great to imagine a future of efficient, pleasant transportation that does less damage to our planet. But as this list shows, there are pros and cons.
At Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley, we're experts in general auto repair, service, Chevron gasoline, and U-Haul rentals. See you soon.